The Galaxy S24 series, and specifically the S24 Ultra, will feature Samsung's most significant zoom enhancement, while the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, Samsung is bringing the most powerful 3x zoom lens they've ever brought to any of their flashes. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto camera, which will bring a massive improvement in image quality due to the higher resolution, while also enhancing the hybrid zoom quality from 3x to 10x. This was one area where Samsung lagged behind the competition, despite being superior to the competition when it came to the 10x lens. However, due to a lack of high resolution, 3x images were not as precise as they could have been. Fingers crossed, this new 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens will produce excellent results with Samsung's S24 Ultra and its improved system and camera ISP that will be included with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor / Exynos 2400. Samsung is opting for this instead of a 5x zoom lens because it would have disrupted the portrait zoom experience, as these photos look absolutely incredible at 3x magnification. As a result of this upgrade, the Galaxy flagship will produce the sharpest portrait mode images ever. Also in the news, the software we'll see on the S24 series, also known as the Android 14-based UI 6.0, will feature a brand new quick panel configuration that will look stunning depending on the color palette you select. Incredibly, the Galaxy S23 series outperformed the S22 lineup in the first half of 2023. According to Samsung, despite market challenges, the Galaxy S23 series outperformed the S22 lineup in terms of sales and revenue in the first half of 2023. Indeed, this is fantastic news for Samsung. Hopefully, they will be capable to do the similar with the S24 lineup the following year. Whether or not this occurs will depend heavily on the return of the Exynos 2400 processor, which, if you didn't know, is actually returning for some S24 models in particular markets. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.